everybody, I'm back. So I was just gonna do this one on my own, and then I decided that I would just come on here and do it, because why not? Seriously, if I'm gonna make something, I might as well do it on video. So this one, there we go. All right. This is the farm to table and table to soul transfer, and it's a big one too. It's hard to fit in the whole screen, but this is a retired transfer. However, I have one of these available. I might even have two. I'll have to go back and look. But so if you want one, let me know. I believe they're $39 retail price. So even though it's retired, I snagged up a couple of them before they were gone. Okay. I didn't want to keep you guys waiting. I was just going to do both of these, but then I realized that the Darling one is so big that I needed to get it washed. Okay. So this one I'm doing a few different colors. You can probably see over here. Hold on, I'm going to share this really quick. There we go. And if you would like to share as well or tag somebody you think might like this, that would be awesome. And I would love it. Okay. I'm going to do the chicken in this color. This is brick. I'm going to do this little mixing bowl thing in, what is this, school bus yellow, which I think is a retired color, but there's a color really similar to it that we have now. And then the rest of it I'm just going to do white. So this is another design that I made one of these exact things for my holiday show, and it sold really quickly, so I'm going to make another one. It's the same good chalkboard surface. This is not a new transfer, so I did not fuzz it up. You could if you wanted to, but it'd be really hard to fuzz it up. So I would suggest, you know, using a really big towel and having two people if you're gonna fuzz it, or wax your chalkboard. But since it's not the first time I've used it, I'm not gonna worry about it. This is also a Hobby Lobby frame, and I don't know, let's see if I can switch this down so you guys can see it. The top, like the corners, I'm in love. Love it. So Hobby Lobby for this one as well. Okay, let's see how I'm gonna do this. This one I think I am gonna do the whole paste and peel thing, and I'm gonna use the angled squeegee, and I'm gonna do the farm first, peel it up, or in the chicken, then do table, and then do the last part. I think is how I'm gonna break that up. So here we go. I'm sorry if my head gets in the camera shot. I'll do my best to stay out of it. But same thing, I'm gonna work kind of quickly on this one because we don't want it to dry. There we go. And I'm gonna be careful around the chicken because he's gonna be a different color. Chicken, rooster, whatever it is. There we go. And I'm just gonna, I've got some extra paste, so I'm gonna do the top of this T. There we go. Hopefully I'm not getting my head in the camera. If you're in Kansas City, come see me at the home show this weekend. I will be at Bartle Hall tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. Bartle Hall, downtown, Kansas City. So come see me. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna peel up this a little bit because I don't want it to dry on the transfer. So I'm gonna peel it to there. There we go, and then I'm just gonna lay it back down. And then keep going. I just love how easy and quick this is to make a giant project literally in 5 minutes. You can't beat it. And then I can wash it and do it again. Let's get around that. Actually, I'm just, no sense in putting it back in the canister. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna do this in yellow. Give it a little bit of color, that way it's not quite so boring. There. Okay, I'm gonna peel this up just a little bit more. Gently lay it back down. Oops, almost grabbed the wrong color. Instead of doing the paste and peel thing, you can also lay like a wet paper towel down on top of it. I use a lot of paper towels already, so I don't really want to waste a bunch of paper towels, but so that's why I just do the peel thing. It's a little bit easier, but especially with a big design. Either way works. Okay, I'm just gonna peel this up from the bottom. Maybe. Ta-da! There we go. It looks like I had one little spot there that didn't. Oh, nope. Okay, I just stuck the transfer to itself. This is why I need like 3 sets of hands. Okay, I'll have to take that. If you do get, so you guys can see this. I got my transfer stuck to itself. If that ever happens, if you just run it underwater, it'll come apart as long as you do it pretty quickly. So anyway, get that out of the way. All right, so I hope you guys like it. It's nice, simple, easy, cute. Alrighty, I am going to sign off today. I promise I'm done now. No more videos. Alrighty, bye. Have a good night.